Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by gathering prerequisites now. Grab an empty bottle and a blue slime piece because those are core components. Once done, head straight to the ingredients table and pick the paint chunk recipe item. This unlocks mixing steps. Make sure to equip a bucket slot and approach the mixing station or the vendor NPC. This speeds execution and prevents backtracking. You act fast to trigger the recipe, and you keep items ready, so the next phase proceeds without pauses. You now perform the core craft. Place bottle, blue slime, and paint chunk into the mixing interface. This combination creates a paint base. Once placed, stir or activate the mixer for about 6 to 8 seconds, because the color meter must hit roughly 75% to form a usable paint. After that, transfer the resulting painted liquid into your equipped bucket using the quick transfer or conveyor option. This moves the blend cleanly and prevents loss, so the bucket fills correctly and remains usable. You finish by sealing the bucket and testing paint on a nearby object to confirm hue and durability. This verifies success. If the color or texture is off, make sure to redo the mix using the exact stirring time and the proper ingredient order. Minor timing or order mistakes cause failure. Once correct, save the recipe to favorites so you can reproduce the bucket quickly. Finally, if the bucket won't fill, check inventory space and re-equip the bucket slot before retrying.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.